Welcome! In this video, we're going to learn step-by-step how to clone Google Chrome on your PC with the latest update. If you've ever wanted to keep separate browsing spaces for work, school, or personal use without mixing everything together, this method is exactly what you need. By the end, you'll have a brand new Chrome profile ready to go, working just like your main one. First, open Google Chrome on your PC. Make sure you're on the desktop version so we can access all the features we need. Once Chrome launches, look toward the top right corner of the window. You'll see your profile icon sitting there, usually represented by your account picture, or a simple silhouette if you aren't signed in. Click on that profile icon. A menu will instantly open, showing your current account and other options. Here, you'll see a button that says Add. This is where the cloning trick happens. By clicking Add, you're creating a new Chrome profile that can run completely separately from the one you're using right now. When you select Add, you'll be prompted to set up the new profile. Chrome will ask you to choose a name, a color theme, and even a profile icon. This step is entirely customizable, so you can make the new profile easy to identify at a glance. Whether you want to name it Work Browser, Gaming, or simply leave it as Profile 2, it's completely up to you. After you've made your choices, just click Done. Chrome will then open a brand new window with the profile you just created. This is your cloned version of Chrome, and it functions separately from your original. That means you get your own dedicated bookmarks, extensions, history, and settings, all independent from your main profile. This method is perfect if you share your computer with someone else, or just want to divide your online activities. You can use one profile for professional tasks and another for personal browsing, keeping everything neat and organized. And that's it. You've successfully cloned Google Chrome on your PC using the most recent update. Now you can switch between profiles anytime with just one click from the same profile menu.